Boat manufacturers are facing the same issue many product lines are facing: how to get millennials to buy. CNBC's Frank Holland is at the Miami Boat Show with that story. Hey, Frank.
Hey, good afternoon. Welcome from Miami. U.S. boat makers, well, they're trying to attract the biggest segment of consumers, millennials. That may seem a bit counterintuitive because we know millennials have a lot of student debt, and they're also taking a longer time to buy big ticket items like homes and, of course, like the boats that we see out here. But the president of the trade group for boat makers says the industry really doesn't have a choice because right now the average age of a boat owner is 58 years old. 20 years ago, the average age was 48, a dramatic difference. So in response, the industry, well, they're putting out more lower margin, lower price products, just the opposite of what automakers are doing. Regulator is one of the brands really leading that charge. Just here in Miami, they debuted their new crossover boat. That's a boat that does offshore boating, fishing, even water sports. It's a kind of a versatile boat. It also has a lot of new tech like joystick docking. That pretty much makes bringing your boat into a slip like a video game, much easier than the traditional method. We also spoke with the president of that company. She says the boat is about 32% less expensive than their average price, but she sees it as an investment in the future of boating and her company.
This will bring us more buyers. So it's a longer term view. The short term view is sell everything you've got at the highest margins that you can. But this is a longer term view.
And a lot of boat makers are looking at the long term because the short term, well, they're facing a lot of tariff pressure in the form of retaliatory tariffs. The industry is expected to lose about $500 million in sales in 2019 due to those retaliatory tariffs in the EU, China, Canada, and Mexico. So a lot of concerns about the future of boat sales. If those sales do not continue to grow, well, there's fears there could be layoffs and production cuts. Back over to you.
You're making us seasick with that bobbing. Frank, why don't millennials buy boats? Is it a price thing?
Well, it is a price thing, but also just more of them are kind of entering adulthood later in life. And as I mentioned, they're buying homes later. They're also settling a lot of their student debt. Also, a lot of them are intimidated about the commitment. That's according to boat makers here.
It does sort of seem like a retiree kind of
Absolutely. They say this happiest day.
I think it's a lot of fun. I got a lot of years left to work.
The day you sell it.
Yeah, you look like you're having fun.